Okay, so this is how it looks when you initially load the app in the localhost 3000 port. Okay, so there are no news articles here, so we need to pull them. Either we can run this command or we can log in as the admin user that the credentials I have shared. Okay, so here we can sign in as the admin user. Okay, password is password. Okay, so if I sign in, okay, you can see that we still don't have any articles, but we have these menu items. I can go to the admin section. Okay, here you can see the number of users here. There is only one admin user here right now, and I have implemented these four sources here. Okay, so we can pull the articles from these four sources. So if I click on this, okay, you can see that it pulled 90 articles from here. Okay, and let's pull the articles from the other sources. Okay, this is done, and here, okay, so I pulled the articles from all these sources. Now if I go to the home page, okay, you can see that we have the content here. So it looks like this, the screen looks like this. Okay, so we have the content here, and here this is carousel section is implemented here. Okay, and each of these you can also click on the links here, so it will take you to the separate article, individual article page. Okay, okay, now here you can also I have also provided the option to search and filter here. Okay, so let's try to search something here. Let's see, let me search Google. Okay, and we can search by comma separated values, and let's also search eagle. Okay, if I go, okay, you can see that wherever we have the Google, here you can see this is Google related and also eagle. So here also we have the keyword Google. So all these articles will be from different sources, will be searched and shown here. Okay, and now you can also filter the articles based on these values. Okay, here this is how the screen looks. Okay, I have provided filters, categories, date. Okay, you can select the date and other options here. Okay, so there are a lot of items here, so you can search by them. Let's say I want to search by, I want to get all the Guardian news. Okay, so you can search by them. Okay, and BBC. Okay, so let's also do the New York Post. Okay, so New York Times, sorry. So like this it is there. Now you can also remove from here or here. Okay, so you can see that I can remove from here. Okay, so this is also works. In categories also you can do the same thing. Okay, now we have selected this. So here if you clear the half, it will clear all the items in all the sections. Okay, so you can see that it is not there here also. Okay, let's quickly select some of the items here. Okay, so 3 items. So let's try to filter them. Okay, so you can see that we have the only from these sources. Okay, news from only these sources. So this is how the filter functionality works. Okay, so now next is this one, personalized news. Okay, if you visit this, this is how it looks in the initially, because we have not set any preferences. So if we click on this, it also has a similar interface, but one thing is it has you have an extra option here to select the authors. Okay, you can select authors and display them. Okay, this is also works in a similar. So let's try to select some of these items. Okay, so if I save the preferences, it will save the preferences and refresh the page, and it will load all these items. Okay, let me select a couple of more items so that we have a lot of articles here. Okay, let's also select the Guardian. Okay, so this is how the personalized home screen looks like. Okay, all the contents are shown here. Okay, then I have also we also have this option here in the dark mode. You can see the visualize. You can see the website in the dark mode. Okay, and it is also responsive. Okay, so this is how it looks in the mobile. Okay, so if you go to the personalized news section, so this is how it looks here. Okay, and even you can search and do all these operations here. Okay, so this I have logged in as only one user here, so like let me log out, and page is refreshed. I will also show how to register. Okay, here we have the sign up option, so we can sign up, enter the details here. You can see that while I'm typing in, I'm also getting the validation errors. Okay, okay, so if I sign up, okay, registration done, and the page will be refreshed. Okay, and we will have the again personalized news section here. Okay, again I need to set the preferences, and I need to if I set the preferences, I'll get the personalized news feed here. Okay, so this is how the old functionality. So the logged in only registered users will have this option to see the personalized news. So I think this is all the functionality I have implemented. I think I have implemented all the required functionalities for this challenge. Thank you.